Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on automated traffic lights. So now as you can see, this light is green, so that means vehicles can go, and in about 30 seconds there will be a window around 15 seconds for pedestrians to cross. So in that time pedestrians will cross the road. Yeah, see, now it's yellow and red. Now pedestrians are crossing, the cars will stop, and once the time for pedestrians are over, it will continue. Yeah, like that. So yeah, that's what we are going to work on today. This will go in a cycle forever, so it's a loop, just like any other automated pedestrian light in real world. See, even if there are no vehicles, it goes to red, even if there is no one to cross the road. So now it's time for pedestrians to cross, and they are crossing without stopping. Okay, alright. And if the cars continue to go, and for some reason if there is a pedestrians in the road, the cars will stop. We have worked on that part already yesterday. In fact, we worked on that part yesterday to detect pedestrians and prevent collisions. Okay, so before we get started, I'd like to remind you that, as always, you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects that I have done in my channel, so in the Patreon page. So I'll leave the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. And let's get back to the tutorial. So at the moment, this pedestrian light system is it turns to red and block the cars only when the pedestrian is crossing. So no matter, like, whenever a pedestrian starts to crossing, that will turn red. So now what I want to do is, instead of that, it has to be automated. Okay, so how to do that? Let me open the crosswalk. And here I'll add a variable, automated. By default I'll leave it as false. What that means is, if the pedestrian light is automated, then it wouldn't consider whether any pedestrians are trying to cross or anything. It will automatically change the state regardless of someone is crossing or not. So here, first I'll add a branch to check if it is automated. I think if I change this to a macro, this would be useful, because I will have to do the same check in multiple places. Is automated. So this would be yes and no. Right, now this logic should take place only if the pedestrian light is not automated. So no. So no execution, no result should take place. I'll make this public so that I can change it here if I want. So need to do the same for the other collision as well. Is automated? No. Okay. Now in the begin play, we need to check the same thing. So if it is not automated, we need to have some event that automatically change the state of the lights. So let me collapse this. Set light colors. Oh. Code user detection. Okay. Now change state. No. Automate lights. Oh, sorry. We need a custom event. And then automate lights. Okay. So now we need to call, if this is automated, we need to call automate lights. Right? Now, initially it should go. So in a loop we will have to make the state pedestrians to go and stop cars, and then stop cars to go and pedestrians to stop. But this event is only, I have called it only set light colors, but that doesn't seem fair or reasonable, because I not only just set the colors, I changed these variables as well. Therefore I'll change this set light state. That's better. Now here set light state to go, and let's give for cars. I'll allow cars to go to make testing easier. Delay of, let's say, 30 seconds, and then set light state to stop the cars, and have a delay of, let's say, 15 seconds for pedestrians, and let's add a reroute node. And oh, sorry, circle back. Oh, what's happening? Okay, now this should go on a loop. This will go on a loop. Okay, but that's not all. We will have to do some changes to the here. For cars, this would work without requiring any additional changes, but for pedestrians, we need to stop them if the light is red. At the moment it happens, but then they will try to cross again in 3 or 4 seconds. So here we will have to do the same test, even if the state is yes. And if it is a vehicle, we will have to do the same thing. But no, not exactly the same. If go is false, we will have to stop the car. That means this part. And for the pedestrians also, we will have to do the same thing. So yeah, actually, regardless of whether pedestrian or not, we will have to call stop. But here we add this variable or actor into stopped vehicle array, so that when the time is right, we can trigger them to start continue to go, so cars can start driving again. So we would need something similar for pedestrians. We need to stop them if they are not allowed to cross at the time, and then when the time is right, we should trigger them to start crossing. So here another branch, go. If go is true, that means cars are allowed to go. So maybe we should rename this vehicle go. Yeah. If it is true, we need to stop the pedestrian. So that means here we have a reference to the actor. Stop. And we will need to add a reference to another array. So here let me duplicate this, and instead of stop vehicles, I'll call it stop pedestrians. Okay. Now get stop pedestrians and unique. Right, now we are keeping a reference to all the pedestrians that we stopped. Okay, let's see how so far the progress is. Pedestrians will not work correctly, but the cars should work. I'll mark this as automated crossing. So it's green now. Cars will go. Pedestrians cross even though cars are not blocked, but that's fine. Hold on, why it's not turning red? Oh, now it should be red. Yeah, now it's red. So cars will stop now. And green. Cars are not triggered to go again. The reason is we are not triggering cars. So when we set change light state, when we set pedestrians to go, we should call all pedestrians for each and go. I'm not sure I implemented this for characters, but I did implement that for wait, when I make pedestrians go false, I should call stop vehicles to go, because pedestrians are blocked now. And when pedestrians go is true, in that case I should make all the pedestrians to move. That means to the crossing. Alright, now the cars will work, but pedestrians will not work still. For that, we will have to go to the AI of NPC characters. So here, where do we call move? Oh, yeah, it should be in tasks. Yeah, here. See, it just wait 3 seconds and try to cross. But instead, we should continue to wait if the pedestrian is blocked by a signal light. But from here, we don't have a way to check that. We have a reference to the controlled pawn, so here we have event stop, and I'll implement event go. Also, this is coming from the BPI road user. So here I'll have another variable stopped. Let's call it waiting. No, stopped by signal. By default it has to be false, so here I'll set stopped by signal to true, and I'll set it to false here. And then we might need another interface event in the road user is stopped by signal. This should return a boolean. Stopped by signal. And here I'll implement it. It should return the value of this. Now here we can get a reference to this controlled pawn. Is stopped by signal. So I'll reduce this wait time to 1 second. much. If this is true, we will have to wait again simply. If it is false, we don't have to, we can try again. Okay. Alright, now I think it should work. Let's see. Oh, one more thing. I forgot to clear these variables. Once we complete, we should clear them. Right, let's see now. So the pedestrians are waiting, light is green. Let's wait till the light becomes red. Maybe 30 seconds is too much. Alright, now it's becoming red. Pedestrians are crossing, and car will have to stop and wait until the red is gone, and go. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's done. And I think that's enough for today. So thanks for watching. The updated project files will be available for you to download in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And feel free to let me know what else you guys would like to cover, you guys would like to see in this series in future episodes. And see you in another episode. Goodbye.